Today we'll discuss Spicejet business factors, how Spicejet will be impacted, and will it hit 150. So I have researched a few things for your investment plans. First of all, to explain you, in front of you here you can see the chart of Spicejet, which I'll be explaining you at the end of the video. First, we'll go through the fundamental, what is it is going to happen in Spicejet, whether it is a good investment, whether it will go to 150 or plus, or will buy, sell, hold, whatever it is, it will be your decision after seeing the video. Let's start. To start with, Spicejet has got two businesses. One is passenger business, one is logistic business, which Ajay Singh sir has explained us before. So the negative, first we'll discuss the negative part of Spicejet. What is the dark cloud on the Spicejet? Why the stock price is running in 30 rupees now? Let's discuss the dark cloud first, then we'll go to the broader or the lightning space of Spicejet. Sun side, we can say sun side of the Spicejet. Let's see. First, the negative point. Negative is recently Honorable Supreme Court has ordered Spicejet to pay 380 crore to Balanithi Maran, ex-promoter of Spicejet, for a shared promoter dispute issues and all. Secondly, DGCA ordered extra surveillance against Spicejet. And thirdly, the foremost point from the corona, from past 3 years, the quarters we can calculate that from 12 quarters, Spicejet is repeatedly doing losses. So that is the major factor, repeatedly doing losses due to lockdown factors, and overseas lockdown continued for a long time, though domestic opened. So seeing the factors, now the worldwide is open, but the Spicejet revival still became an issue. Now we'll discuss the good points of Spicejet, what it is going to happen. First of all, to say you, this is like, definitely the promoter of Spicejet, Ajay Singh sir, who can make the changes, Spicejet, and make a smooth fly in the sky. The first point is infusion of 500 crores. The good point what Ajay Singh sir has done, 500 crores infusion. So let's discuss what he is going to do with the 500 crore. What Spicejet is going to do with the 500 crore. That is not disclosed. Let's see, 380 crore Spicejet pays to Maran sir, and another 120 crore, just stressing this point again, another 120 crore, left out 120 crore, they'll purchase share of Spicejet in the open market, which is cost around 30 rupees now. 30 rupees they are going to purchase share of 120 crore, which will be approximately 4 crore shares. Secondly, the logistic business of Spicejet is going to fetch 2,500 crore after the separation, what Maran said previously, as we all know. Third, the important point of this, why the Spicejet again will have a smooth fly in the sky, is they are getting government emergency credit fund. Just because why the government will pay such amount to Ajay Singh sir or to Spicejet? Because Spicejet has assured that they are not going to file insolvency or bankruptcy. So when they get an assurance, then someone will give you money. Then at least doing the business you can pay off the principal as well as the interest. So this is the foremost point, which is like, it's a golden button, you can say. When somebody gives you money in assurance that you are not going to file bankruptcy or insolvency. So basing on all these points, I believe Spicejet will have a sky high fly soon. What is going to happen? Let's discuss the promoter holding. We have a promoter holding of 58% as of now. As you are seeing the market, 58% of the shareholding. If they purchase 3 crore shares and they do business of good 3 quarter, after all this happens, it might take 2 years or 1 year to get settled things. Once 2 to 3 quarter positive result, definitely the share price will go to 150 rupees, and selling off the promoter shares which they purchased at the cost of 30, they'll get back the money and they can reinvest again in the company. This is how I wanted to say you why Spicejet will have a sky high fly soon. Make sure guys, this is I won't increase your points, you research of your, I want to increase your time, you enhance your, you search of yourself and understand. Let's discuss the technical points, whatever it is there as of currently today's date. I'll explain you the technicals here. You can see why should not we purchase. See, looking at the technical point of view, if you see here, it is all 20, 50, 200 moving average down, trading below 200, 20, 50 and 200 moving points down. But it is in a important support zone. You can see many times it has tried to break this 22 level but did not. You see this point, which was in 2016. It took a ride here to 86 in 2 to 3 or 4 weeks time. You can see here. Later, I'll just enhance and show it. You see here, like, see here, from here it rose like 87 in a short span, then it consolidated for another 6 months, then again it took a rise 150 rupees, and from here it was September 2015, it was again August, you can say September 2017. In 2 years it reached 150. So that is what we are discussing, 150, the target, Spicejet. So you see here, if you see, it is in the important support here. It is, I'm not sure whether it will break or not, but you see, as soon as it goes up the 200 moving average level, it will fly. So make sure guys, just research yourself, invest these kind of stocks which they are assuring, they are getting a government assurance to fly high in the sky. Thank you. To add here, this is only, the video is only made for an educational purpose, and I do not have a recommendation buy, sell or hold on this. You research yourself. I just showed you this study what I did for you guys. Thank you.